Is AI really getting better? That's what we're going to explore today. And in this tutorial, I'll cover some techniques to generate cool looking poster using Adobe Photoshop and Nano Banana. And if you want to get this exact prompt, it's available on my Patreon. So if you guys love sports poster design and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe. And there are tons, yes, there are tons to cover. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So let's start with the word prompt first, and for that press Ctrl and N. And again, same thing, I'm going for 4:5 resolution to 300, color mode to RGB, bitrate to 8, and let's keep everything as default and let's click on create. And let's start with the very first image. So I have this image ready. Let's drag and drop this player image right over here. Let's keep it somewhere over here. Let's convert it as a smart object. Press Ctrl T. Let's make it a little smaller, or maybe some more. Here we go. And right off that, let's select the whole screen. And then after that, you're gonna see a bar over here. Let's click on that generative fill. And what I'm envisioning is I would like to add a crown, and I would like to create a kind of, I'm thinking is to create some moody background, like a studio style on a background, and adding a kind of crown on his head, just giving that royal portrait vibes. So that's what I'm envisioning. So I have written a prompt. So let's paste that prompt right over here. And when you're writing a prompt, give as much as detail that you can give. So for this one, what I have written is try ultra cinematic royal portrait environment, and I want to get it a high resolution. And then also I described as a what kind of format I'm looking for. I'm looking for a vertical format, and for a background I want a dramatic studio background with deep navy and charcoal tones. So that's the mode that I'm going for. I want to add a stage curtain in the background and add atmospheric haze. So that's what I'm thinking. So I have written all the details that I'm looking for, and let's click on generate. And before that, this different image generation model gives different results. So let's try using Google Gemini Nano Banana Pro, and let's click on generate. And again, it's a hit and try, and you don't know what you're gonna get as a result. So let's see. Okay, I think I love it. So this is pretty cool. And for skin enhancement, let's try one more prompt. So I'll paste that prompt again. To enhance the skin texture with the neutral pores without plastic smoothing, because what I feel is like every time when I generate image using image generation model, I feel like it's a kind of plasticky. So I just want to remove that. And yeah, so that's what I have written on this prompt. And again, using the same image generation model, let's click on generate, and let's see. So let's see before and after. So yep, I think it's pretty cool. And then let's add some Ace glow, right? And even for that too, I'm writing a prompt. So let's select everything. Add soft bloom volumetric light spill interacting with, okay, yeah, that's what I have written. So if you want to get that exact prompt, please check on the description list below. And again, using the same image generation model, let's click on generate, and let's see. So wow, that's freaking awesome. I love it. So here we go. So this is where we started. So that's the image that we give, and we write a prompt to create a poster. And after that, we wrote another prompt to give that skin details, and I think I love it. And then on top of that, we spice it, adding some light effects. So let's try same prompt but with the different players. So again, let's create one more work comp. Let's click on create, and let's drag and drop. I think yep, let's use this image. So select subject, create a layer max. Okay, and then let's refine some here. So click on refine here just to get that smooth result, and let's drag and drop this on our new work comp. So let's keep it somewhere over here. Now let's select everything, and we're gonna try to achieve kind of similar results. So we're gonna use the same prompt, and let's paste that prompt. And again, if you want to get that prompt, please check in the description list below. And let's click on generate. Again, we're using the same image generation model. Everything is same. We're using Google Gemini Nano Banana Pro. And again, it's a hit and trial. You don't know what you're gonna get, but hope we're gonna get the similar result. All right, so yeah, let's check before and after. So yep, this is the first one. I think we got kind of similar result. So yep, I love it. Now let's make a selection one more time, and let's add that skin enhancement prompt, and let's see if we can get the similar result. Here we go. Let's see before and after. Yep, I think yeah, it's a little bit of textured, and I think I love it. So let's keep it like that, and let's add that bloom effect on very top. So let's select everything, and again add a bloom effect, paste that prompt, and click on generate. Okay, well, that's pretty awesome. I think I love it. So it's pretty cool. So yep, this is what we generated so far. So this is our first image, this is our second image, and this is our third image. So yep, I think I love it. So what do you think about this poster? And yep, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, be safe, and be creative. Bye bye.